You might have heard of heart disease before, but do you really know what it is and how it can affect your health? Heart disease is a broad term that refers to any condition that affects the heart. It's the leading cause of death globally, and it can affect people of all ages. There are many different types of heart disease, including coronary artery disease, heart failure, and heart valve problems. These conditions can be caused by a variety of factors, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, smoking, and a family history of heart disease. Symptoms of heart disease can include chest pain, shortness of breath, dizziness, and fatigue. However, some people may not experience any symptoms at all. That's why it's so important to get regular checkups and screenings to check for heart disease. But here's the good news: there are things you can do to reduce your risk of developing heart disease. These include eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, quitting smoking, and managing stress. It's also important to get your blood pressure and blood cholesterol checked regularly and to follow your doctor's recommendations for treatment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips and watch another video just like this one.